In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar to Notion, creating a seamless integration that enhances your productivity and keeps all your plans in one convenient place. Let's dive right in and start from the very beginning. First off, you'll need to open Google Calendar in your preferred web browser on your desktop. This is where you typically manage your appointments and schedule. Once you're there, take your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a section labeled My Calendars. Here you want to identify the specific calendar that you're looking to connect with your Notion workspace. Hover over this calendar and you'll see the three vertical dots appear. That's your shortcut to more options. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will come up. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. This takes you to a comprehensive settings page that's full of various customization options for your calendar. Don't let the options overwhelm you. What we're focusing on today is under the section titled Integrate Calendar, so go ahead and scroll to find it. Once you arrive at the Integrate Calendar section, you'll see two options, a public URL and an embed code, also known as an iframe. For the purpose of integrating with Notion, you'll need to copy either the public URL or the embed code. Both of these options work. It just depends on your preference and the privacy level you desire for your calendar. With your URL or embed code in hand, the next step is to open your Notion workspace. If you haven't yet logged in, go ahead and do so. Now, navigate to the specific page within Notion where you would like your Google Calendar to live. Once on this page, you'll want to create a space to insert your calendar, so click on the area where you want the calendar to appear. Typing embed followed by pressing enter unlocks the different ways you can incorporate links and embed content into Notion. You'll be prompted to enter a URL or code here. Simply paste the Google Calendar URL or embed code you copied earlier into the prompt. In a blink, Notion works its magic and your Google Calendar comes to life right there on your page. You'll be able to see your day-to-day schedule and upcoming events without ever leaving the Notion app. This integration is not only efficient, but also helps you streamline your digital workspace, ensuring maximum productivity. With these simple steps, you've now successfully connected your Google Calendar to Notion, harnessing the power of both platforms to keep organized and prepared. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Happy planning!